If your entire wealth plan still depends on finding the next 100x crypto coin, you are already behind. In 2021, people were putting rent money, savings, even emergency funds into coins that do not even exist today. Whole portfolios went from green to red in a few weeks. But in 2025, the smartest investors I know are not chasing mystery coins. They are obsessing over two boring digital assets that are quietly beating crypto on the one thing that actually matters: predictable wealth. In this video, I am going to show you why, for everyday investors, crypto is effectively dead, and how two other digital assets just took its place. One pays you while you sleep. The other can literally replace your income. Be honest for a second. How much money have you lost or missed in crypto so far? Keep that number in your head, because by the end of this video, you will know where that money should have gone instead. Welcome to PocketWise. This is where we turn confusing money ideas into simple, practical steps for normal people. People who have bills, kids, and real lives. Markets change. What worked from 2017 to 2021 does not automatically work in 2025. The game has shifted. This is not a "I hate crypto" video. This is a "what actually gets you free faster with less stress" video. In the next few minutes, you are going to learn three big things. First, a simple explanation of why relying on crypto has been a trap for most people. Not for the tiny group who got rich, but for the majority who did not. Second, the two digital assets that are beating crypto when you look at risk, control, and peace of mind. And third, a step-by-step way to start using them this month, even if you are starting from zero. Quick disclaimer: this is education, not personal financial advice. You control your money. I just want you to stop donating it to hype. And here is a little teaser. Asset number 2 is the one almost nobody talks about, but it is the one that can actually replace your job if you give it 12 to 24 months. Let's start with the hard truth. When I say crypto is dead, I do not mean Bitcoin is going to zero. I do not mean every coin is a scam. What I mean is this: as the core of your wealth building plan, crypto has failed most normal people. The problem is not only the technology, the real problem is human behavior. Most people buy late, near the top, they hear the stories, they see the gains, and they jump in when it already pumped. Then, when the price drops, they panic. They sell near the bottom, lock in the loss, and promise they will never do this again. And then, the next cycle begins. New coins, new buzzwords, new promises. They chase it all over again. Very few people do the boring, correct thing. Very few people dollar-cost average for 8 to 10 years. Very few people ignore the noise and treat it like a long-term plan. Let me give you a simple example. Person A threw $3,000 into random altcoins in 2021. They watched it become $500. Person B took that same $3,000 and put it into boring digital assets that paid them every single month. Nothing crazy, just slow income every month with almost no drama. Who do you think sleeps better at night, even if the number on the screen sometimes goes up with crypto? If you are checking your phone 20 times a day, your life is going down. Your peace is going down. Type A in the comments if you have ever felt like person A in a past cycle. I have, no shame. And quick micro poll. Are you still holding any coins from 2021? Yes or no? Drop it in the comments. We are not saying you must dump all crypto. We are saying this: if your entire strategy is, "I hope this coin moons again," that strategy is dead. So what should replace it? Let's move to asset number 1. The first asset that is quietly replacing crypto for sensible people is what I call digital cash machines. Here is what that actually means in simple words. Digital cash machines are safe or low-risk places for your money that live inside apps and broker accounts and quietly pay you interest. Things like government bond exchange traded funds. You buy them through your broker. They hold short-term government debt, like T-bills, high-yield savings accounts in fintech apps. These are bank accounts that pay more interest than the old-school bank. Money market funds. These are pooled funds that lend money safely and pay you a steady rate. Why do these beat crypto for most of your goals? First, stability versus chaos. This is where your emergency fund should live. This is where next year's rent, or your car money, or your sleep at night money lives. When your car breaks, you do not want to dump a coin at a loss. You want cash that is ready and still earned you something while it sat there. Second, predictable yield. Instead of hoping for 100x, you are getting maybe 4 to 5% per year. No charts, no late-night panic, no checking Twitter. Where does this fit in your plan? Before you chase 20x gains, make sure your foundation pays you something. That means 3 to 6 months of expenses in digital cash machines. Not under the mattress, not in a zero-interest account. in something that is still safe but actually working. Let's make this practical. Step 1. List your current cash, every account. How much is earning almost zero? Write it down. Step 2. Research 1 or 2 reputable brokers or fintech apps in your country. Look for options that offer short-term government bond funds, money market funds, or high-yield savings. Step 3. Move a small test amount. Do not move your entire savings in one day. Test with an amount you're comfortable with, maybe $50, maybe $100, whatever feels safe. Step 4. Turn on an automatic transfer every payday, even if it is only $20. Make it a habit. Now, a quick question for you. What interest rate is your current bank paying you right now? 1%? Less than 1? Comment it below. No judgment, just awareness. Asset number 1 preserves your money. It pays you while you sleep. Asset number 2 can actually replace your income. Let's talk about that next. Now we get to the fun one. The second asset replacing crypto hype for a lot of people is what I call digital real estate. Here is a simple definition. Digital real estate is anything you build online once. That can pay you again and again in the future. You put in the work up front, then it keeps working, even when you are not. Examples: a YouTube channel. You post videos once, they keep getting views and ad revenue. An email newsletter. You write once a week and promote products or services to people who trust you. Online courses, ebooks, or simple digital products. Create them one time, sell them hundreds of times. Software tools, templates, or done-for-you packs. Even simple spreadsheet templates can sell again and again. Why does this beat passive crypto holding for most people? First, you control the inputs. With a digital asset, your price goes up when you post, create, or improve, not when a billionaire tweets. Second, one asset can have many income streams. A small YouTube channel can earn from ads, sponsorships, affiliate links, and your own products. A newsletter can earn from paid tiers, referrals, and brand deals. Here is a simple, powerful example. Imagine you build a small YouTube channel. Nothing huge. It makes just $300 a month. That is $3,600 a year. To get the same result from a 5% digital cash machine, you would need $72,000 invested. One small digital asset can save you years of pure saving time. Let that sink in. So how do you start without getting overwhelmed? Here is a very simple roadmap. Step 1. Pick one main platform, not 3, not 5, just one. YouTube, or a newsletter, or simple digital products on a platform like Gumroad or Etsy. Step 2. Pick one niche. Think in this format. I help this type of person do this specific thing. For example, I help nurses manage night shift sleep. I help students pass exams. I help new parents save money in the first year. Step 3. Commit to 2 or 3 pieces of content per week for 90 days. Videos, emails, social posts that drive people back to your main asset. Step 4. Add one clear way to make money. Affiliate links to tools you already use. A simple low-ticket product like a checklist or mini course. Or ad revenue once your channel is big enough. If you had to choose one digital real estate play for 2025, which would you pick? YouTube, newsletter, or digital products? And why? Tell me in the comments. I might pick a few ideas and break them down in a future video. Now that you know both assets, let's put them together into one simple plan. We have talked about why crypto is broken for normal people. We have talked about digital cash machines and digital real estate. Now let's stack them into one simple structure, so you do not have to guess. I call this the 3-layer stack. Layer 1 is safety. Layer 2 is growth. Layer 3 is upside and freedom. Layer 1, safety. This is where your emergency fund lives. This is where cash for short-term goals sits. Inside digital cash machines, high-yield savings, short-term government bond funds, money market funds. If life punches you in the face, Layer 1 catches it. Layer 2, growth. This is where you put long-term money, money you do not need for at least 5 to 10 years. For most people, this means broad, boring index funds or exchange-traded funds. You buy a small piece of many companies at once. You let time do the work. These are still digital. You access them through an app or a broker. But they are not exciting like meme coins. They are quiet soldiers, marching forward. Layer 3, upside and freedom. This is where digital real estate lives. Your YouTube channel, your newsletter, your digital products. This layer is what can actually replace your job. It takes more effort, but the upside is huge. If you really love crypto, this is also where a small capped slice can live. Not half your net worth, maybe 5 or 10% if you truly understand the risk. Let me give you a simple example. This is not advice. Just a model. Imagine you earn $2,000 a month. You decide you can invest $200. You might do something like this. $100 goes to your foundation, digital cash machines, or a broad index fund to build safety and growth. $50 goes to building digital real estate. Maybe you pay for editing software, a thumbnail tool, or you save for a simple mic, or camera upgrade or skill course. $50 goes to higher risk bets. Maybe a small slice of crypto, maybe an artificial intelligence stock, maybe something else you believe in and can afford to lose. Again, this is not a rule. It is a picture. The key idea is this. Your freedom does not come from guessing right one time. It comes from a system you repeat, month after month. Question for you. Which layer are you currently weakest in? Is it safety? Is it growth? Or is it freedom? Type it in the comments. Safety, growth, or freedom. I will reply with at least one suggestion for each. Now, let's turn this into a 7-day challenge. Here is your 7-day challenge, so this does not stay as interesting information. Day 1 and Day 2. List your accounts. Every bank app, every savings account, every wallet. Write down how much cash is earning almost zero. Day 3. Open or log into one broker or fintech app that offers a better home for that cash. Look for high-yield savings, money market funds, or government bond funds. Day 4 and Day 5. Move a test amount, even $50, even $20. The point is to press the button once and feel how it works. Day 6 and Day 7. Decide on one digital real estate idea, just one. Then write 10 content ideas in a notes app, 10 video ideas, 10 newsletter topics, 10 small product ideas. You do not need to build all 10 yet. Just get them out of your head and onto the screen. If you are in for the 7-day challenge, type "I'm in" the comments. We will keep you accountable, and you might inspire someone else to start. Now let's talk about what can go wrong, so you can avoid the landmines. Mistake number 1. Replacing one casino with another. Digital real estate is powerful, but if you chase every trend, every niche, every hack, you turn it into another gambling game. Do not do that. Pick one simple niche. Stick with it for at least 90 days. Mistake number 2. Ignoring high-interest debt. It makes no sense to earn 5% in a digital cash machine while paying 25% on credit cards. List your debts. Circle the most expensive one. Attack that one first while you slowly build your assets on the side. Mistake number 3. Over-diversifying your efforts. 3 half-built digital projects. Pay less than one finished one. Do not start 3 channels, 4 newsletters, and 2 stores. Pick one main asset. Go deep. Mistake number 4. Going all in on any single thing. Do not put 100% of your money in crypto. Do not put 100% in one stock. Do not put 100% of your energy on one platform you do not control. Diversify your plan, not your panic. Which of these mistakes are you most guilty of? Number 1, 2, 3, or 4? Drop the number in the comments. I will pin a comment with my own answer too. We are all learning. Now let's wrap this up with clear next steps. Here is a simple 3-step action plan you can start today. Step 1. Move at least $10 from dead cash to a digital cash machine, just to feel how easy it is. Step 2. Write down one sentence on your phone or on a sticky note. My digital real estate will help, and then fill in the blank, do, and then fill in the result. For example, my digital real estate will help busy parents save money on groceries. My digital real estate will help students pass exams on the first try. Put that sentence somewhere you see every day. Step 3. Pick a 30 to 60-minute time block this week, dedicated only to building that asset. No scrolling, no charts, no news, just you and your future cash machine. Now I want to hear from you. Comment below with your sentence. My digital real estate will help. Blank, do, blank. I will read through them and reply to as many as I can. If this video helped you shift how you think about crypto and digital assets, hit like, so YouTube shows it to more people who are stuck in old money stories. And if you want a life where your money and your digital assets work in the background, that is what PocketWise is all about. Let's close this out. Crypto is not dead as a technology, but for most normal people chasing freedom in 2025, the game has changed. Your foundation is boring digital cash machines. Your long-term engine is simple, diversified index funds. Your upside is digital real estate that you actually control. Everything else, including crypto, is optional. Tell me in the comments, are you team crypto, team digital assets, or a mix of both right now? And one more question, what video do you want next? Option A, how to build your first $1,000 per month digital asset. Option B, A deep dive on setting up a digital cash machine, step by step. Type A or B in the comments so I know what to make for you. In the next PocketWise video, I will walk you through how to design your first digital real estate asset, from idea to your first $100 online, even if nobody knows you yet. So if you have not already, subscribe and tap the bell so you do not miss it. This is PocketWise, helping you make your money work smarter than you do. See you in the next one.